Hey, and welcome to video number 7. We're going to talk about QR code tactics in relation to list building. As you know, having a list of clients or your backend, your customer base, is very important because you need to sell to your list. If you don't have access to your customer list, then you're setting yourself up for failure. You're pretty much selling on the front end, you're not selling your customers on the back end. And what I mean by that is somebody walks through the door, let's say buys a product, and if they leave, they leave. If you can somehow get their information so that you can contact them in the future, and because you're an existing buyer, you can give them a discount, you can notify them of other future offers, and so forth. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video, how to build that list using QR codes. So the first thing you need to do is you need to figure out what you are giving away for free of value. Are you giving a coupon? Are you giving advice? Coupons usually relate to tangible products, not all the time. They can relate to intangible products too. So think about that. How can you give away a coupon? What would that look like? What is that value going to look like? Is it going to be advice in the form of a video and so forth? What is that value going to look like? Then after that, you can go to an autoresponder place, create a subscription box, create the QR code for the subscription box landing page, and then lastly, give away the value. You want to make sure if they're going to scan the QR code, you're going to get their information. So you don't want to give the coupon right after they scan the code. You want to give that only if they fill out the subscription box and only if they give you your name and your email address. Sometimes email's all you need, so it's something that you need to test. If it's in a quick environment where they have to do it quickly, you might want to only get the email address, but you have to get some sort of contact information, email or phone, and then you give the value away. So now that you understand the concept, let's actually implement this. Okay, so step number 1 is, of course, to think of a value. What are you providing that's of value, whether it's a coupon, whether it's a video, and so forth. Just imagine basically that your list is kind of like the bridge between what they get, the value, and the QR code. So once they scan the QR code, you're going to need to have a link to your subscription box. So for example, aweber.com provides you with the ability to build your list. And as you can see here, I'm collecting the first name and the email. So I'm not going to talk about too much about Aweber and creating a list and creating a form, but basically the whole idea here is you would create a form. And then you would go to step number 2, and then in this section, one thing you can do is once in the settings, under thank you page is basically what people are going to see after they sign up on your subscription form. So what you can do is click on custom page and just enter the URL here, whether that's the YouTube video, whether that's the link to the coupon or whatnot. And once you're done with that, just click on go to step number 3 here. And then of course the last step is to get a link to your form. You can install the form on your own website, or you can have Aweber host my form, which you can just get a direct link to that page. So here's the link that I'm going to use. So if I go at the top and go here, as you can see, it says enter your name and your email, and I can always customize this and put something like enter your name and email for a coupon. Once you have that link, then what you need to do is go to becurious.com or bit.ly or anything like that, and simply go to the web URL, just enter that here, create code, and then you can save the GIF as, and that's it. So step number 1, find the value, and make sure you get the link to the value and then link it here, and then that's it. So you're good to go.